Hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel Speaking Zone. How are you friends? I think all friends fit as fiddle. So friends, in today's video I am going to talk about how to speak in English fluently. So, is it possible? So, in this video, I'm going to talk about all the things. How can you be fluent in this language? But if you visited first time on my channel, so please subscribe to my channel so you can get easily my notification, my upcoming video. So, without further delay, let's initiate the video. So friends, in today's video, we will discuss about all the things how can be fluent. Uh, since childhood, I had a dream also. I want to become a fluent English speaker, and many learners they think about it. Yeah, they have a dream. They want to speak in English fluently. But how is this possible? How can achieve this thing? We can achieve very easily, but we have to fully focus in this language. You should take a little step. After taking little steps, so you can get uh, easily learn this language. But the question is, how can we do this? How can this is possible? Yes, you know, this is the four aspects to learn this language: reading, writing, listening, and the speaking. Four aspects are very essential part to learn this language. Sometimes it's happened with us. Suppose that we made a plan. I want to learn this, and today I have to learn some vocabulary, some the listening part we have to cover, and writing and the speaking part. But in a daily routine, we are not able to do achieve these things. So, what should we do in this situation? So last night you should decide what whatever activity you have to do in a next day. Uh, but is it not possible? You have to set a goal. Yes, next day 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I have to reading and I have to speaking and writing everything. Whatever as per your choice. What do you want to do? So, suppose that after completing your works, you have a 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So, try to achieve this activity. Suppose that you have to listen, so you have a 10 minutes. So, try to listen. And you have one time, so there is no need to take the tension. Mm, because this is a journey, you should enjoy this journey, and when you enjoy this journey, so definitely it will be easy for you to learn this language. When I used to learn this language, I faced lots of the problem also, but by practicing I am here with you. I'm able to speak with you, and I converse to the others also. So the practice is the must required. If you are doing practice in a daily basis, so easily you can do. But despite of being a woman, it is not possible to the daily basis get the time. Sometimes it's happened we are busy, we are swamped, we are free. So according to your choice, according your time, you can set your time. Yes, in this time I have to do this work, and this time I have to do this work. So easily you can be fluent in this language. But if you think about it in a one day I will be a fluent, so this is the not possible, because this is a journey. You have to give the time to this language, and after that it will be easy to converse in this language, to speak out in this language. This is a very wonderful and good language. If you if you give good time, good, if you give some time to your journey, so definitely it will be easy and helpful for you, and you will be fluent in this language. But keep working on it continuously. It is very essential. If you want to improve this language, so with a keep consistency, do hard work, and give your time in a daily basis, so definitely you will be fluent. I think this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, so please subscribe to my channel. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.